Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. So let us start the reading, guys. So today our reading is going to be different, guys. We will pick three cards. First three cards will be for our daily energies, and three cards for your energy towards this relationship, and three cards for your person's energy towards this relationship. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So first three cards for your general energies. So this is for your general energy, guys, and I'll place three cards by the side. This is for your person's energy, and this is for your energy, guys, towards this relationship. So we'll turn the cards as we go into that reading. So let's start with the general reading first. Queen of Swords, King of Pentacles. I think this was a card in reverse, guys. Seven of Cups. Taurus, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are in a particular position. You are the one who has that the ability or capability in your organization to take certain decisions. Maybe you are a leader in your group of people. Maybe you are a manager or someone who guides others under you, and you have you were a very and you are a very successful person. You know what to do in a particular situation, and people look up to you. They trust in your decisions, guys. So whatever you think and decide in a particular situation always comes right. And maybe sometimes you may be in a situation where you find certain things going wrong. You may be facing certain kinds of embarrassing situations because certain things may not manifest as you had wished for. This may be this is your general energy, guys. This may be regarding your relationship, or it may be in your work situation. So certain things are not going as planned, so you may feel that kind of embarrassment or sadness because of that. And maybe for some of you all, you are you are desiring so many things. You have lots of plans for your future, many goals that you want to achieve, and you are having that determination, guys. And maybe you may be able to overcome this sadness of today, maybe because certain things may not go as planned in your life. There may be certain situations that are not going as planned, but you are having that determination and courage, and you are seeing success within your reach, Taurus. So you are definitely reaching that. You are seeing success, so you are really happy for it, guys. So how what is coming up in future, you are sure about that. So you are feeling a certain kind of comfort in knowing that success is within reach. So let us see what your person feels about you, guys. Knight of Cups, Five of Swords in reverse, Two of Cups. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, your person wants to visit you. They want to meet you guys very soon. Maybe they are planning to do that very soon, and they feel they share a great you both share a great understanding, and mutual love is there in this relationship, and they feel you share that passion in this relationship, guys. Maybe you both you both share some likes in some hobbies or some kind of activities you both may be involved in, or both are very passionate about, or this person is really passionate about this relationship. They like the time they spend with you, they like the time they are there with you, your company, and they feel in this relationship that they can forget the past and whatever they have gone through, the pain, the sadness, whatever it is. So they are forgetting themselves when they are with you. So they are really happy to be there with you guys. So that is what they feel about you and about this relationship. So let us see what is your energy towards them or towards this relationship, guys. So let us see what are these cards here. Nine of Swords, Three of Wands in reverse, and the Tower in reverse. So your energy towards this relationship, as far as I see with these cards, is you are not happy like them. Maybe this may be because of your past that may be burdening you. For some of you all, you may feel certain disappointments because of your past experiences, guys. So whatever you have seen and experienced, that may be clouding your thoughts. Some kind of worries are there, anxieties, and certainly some disappointments. This may be your energy towards this person. Maybe they are not up to your expectations, but they have this great love towards you guys. They love you for what you are, and they love your company. So maybe sometimes you need to wait and give them a chance, or you have to, if you are if you cannot wait, then it is up to you guys. So that is what I feel with these cards. You are certainly having certain stress or disappointments, but those disappointments and stress or certain your expectations are going to disappear, guys. So maybe this person coming to visit you, it is going to clear certain doubts in your mind, and you are going to come to a better clarity of this person and get a better understanding of your relationship, and you are going to get over your hurt. So it is the time for end of your troubles, guys. Maybe you both had to come to a common ground of understanding, and you are reaching that now, guys. And something is definitely changing. Some great change is coming over. You are reaching the end of your troubles in this relationship, and you are coming to a better understanding, guys. So that is the energy here with these cards. So there may be some disappointments on your side because of those expectations that you have about this relationship, but you are surely going to overcome that. That is what I feel with these cards. So that is the reading, Taurus. So I'll be picking one card from this angel deck, guys. What is the angels guidance for you all? Be discerning. such an apt card, guys. So whatever choices that you make in life, Taurus, you have to clear about your choices. So what is your goal and what you want to do to reach the goals. So even a small thing matters, so it is the path that matters. So even decisions on smaller things will pave the way towards your success. So if you what to say, clearly make those choices what you want to do today, you will know what things you need and what things are important to you. So you have to be clear on that. You don't have to be judgmental, you just have to see the truth, the deep truth of any choice that you want to take up. So you have to think wisely and act with confidence and then decide what you need to do. So that is the reading for you all, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.